Okay, hello everybody. I'm back again and I will be your dance instructor for today. Of course, we must start with the basic warm-up and stretches to make our body fit and tight. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Alright.
Pwede yung sinain.
Oh yeah. Alright. Oh yes. Okay. Are you ready? Good day everyone, I am Sino Caroline and I am a Cha-Cha expert and I will be your instructor for today. So get ready. The four basic elements of Cha-Cha. For the first one is the walking steps. We just walk 3 steps forward and 3 steps backward. Now we're gonna add some groove and some emphasis if you know what I'm saying. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Alright, very easy. So I'm here with my dance partner for the third element, the side steps. As you can see, it is very easy. We just open and close and open and close and open. Alright. Another one with emphasis. Okay. Open and close and open and close. Alright. Very easy. Now for the last element is the rock step. So you take your left foot and you're gonna place it on the back and lift up your right foot and place it on the weight of the front. Then lift back, then lift again, the front right foot. Okay, very easy, right? Okay, and because of that, I think we are ready for our first dance. Now, we're gonna put it all together. DJ? DJ naman eh. Hindi yun. Yan. Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Side step back, side step front, side step and back, and side step and front. Another side step backwards, okay, and forwards, okay, and backwards, and forwards, last backward, okay, side step, and alright. That is the basic dance elements in dancing the cha-cha. Okay, for the first step.